Good morning, students. We already discussed about conic section and what is the meaning of conic. Then definition of conic. From the basic definition, we already discussed about Fp by Pm equal to E. If E equal to 1, then the conic is said to be a parabola. If E less than 1, then the conic is said to be an ellipse. If E greater than 1, then the conic is said to be a hyperbola. Already we discussed about all these concepts. And we worked out some problems based on this definition, Fp by Pm equal to E. If E equal to 1, then it is said to be a parabola. Based on this, we worked out some problems on the parabola. Today, we are going to discuss about the same concept and some problems in the ellipse and some problems in hyperbola. Now take down the problem number 1. If the focus is minus 1 comma minus 3, if the focus is minus 1 comma minus 3 and the eccentricity E equal to 4 by 5 and directrix is, equation of the directrix is x minus 2y equal to 0. Listen to the question. If the focus is minus 1 comma minus 3, eccentricity E equal to 4 by 5 and the equation of the directrix is x minus 2y equal to 0. Find the equation of the conic. Find the equation of this conic. Now listen. If E equal to 4 by 5 is given, that means it is less than 1. So E equal to 1 means it is a parabola. Here E less than 1, that means E equal to 4 by 5, then it is said to be an ellipse. Now focus is given, the value of eccentricity E is also given, then the equation of the directrix is also given. Straight away we can draw this diagram. This is the basic definition. From this basic definition, we can say the focus is minus 1 comma minus 3 and this is said to be a directrix. The equation of the directrix is given x minus 2y equal to 0. Then this point P is always x comma y. It is a moving point. From this we are able to work out Pm. From this basic definition, we know that Fp by Pm equal to E. Then we can write like this, Fp equal to E into Pm. So we are cross multiplying this one, Fp equal to Fp by Pm equal to E, then Fp equal to E into Pm. From this diagram, we are able to work out Fp. What is the meaning of Fp from this diagram? It is nothing but the distance between the point F minus 1 comma 3 and the P x comma y. It is nothing but the distance. Therefore, we are able to work out the distance between these 2 points. X minus of minus, already we are having a negative, so that x minus of minus 1, it will become positive. Here y again minus of minus, so we can say y plus 3 the whole square equal to, the value of E is already given. See that the value of E equal to 4 by 5. What is the meaning of Pm? It is the perpendicular distance from the point P x comma y to the directrix. Already we worked out the formula Ax plus By plus C. You can refer this one, Ax plus By plus C divided by root of A squared plus B squared is the perpendicular distance from a point to the line. So from this point P x comma y, we are going to draw a perpendicular line, so that the formula is, instead of Ax plus By plus C, we are having this x minus 2y. There is no constant here. Then divided by root of, here what is the meaning of A squared? Coefficient of x is A. Therefore A squared means 1 squared here. See 1 squared. Then the coefficient of B is 2. 2 squared become 4. So this is nothing but the value of Pm. It must be a positive value only. So Fp by Pm equal to E. cross multiplying, we can get Fp equal to E into Pm. Here Fp is nothing but the distance between 2 points, x minus of minus plus 1 the whole squared, y minus of minus plus 3 the whole squared. Then 4 by 5 is the value of E equal to 4 by 5. Then Pm is the length of the perpendicular from Px comma y to this directrix. It is nothing but x minus 2y divided by root of a squared plus b squared. Here a squared is 1 squared, b squared is 2 squared. Now we have to simplify this one. We are going to simplify this one. So use this logic, Fb by Pm equal to E. That's all. Only one logic. So far we discussed it. That is the basic definition of conic. Now see, we want to remove this root family. Therefore squaring both sides. So that squaring both sides, we can get x plus 1 the whole squared plus y plus 3 the whole squared is equal to, in your RHS side, if you are squaring 4 by 5, we can get 16 by 25. Then squaring this value means we can get x minus 2y the whole squared. Then divided by, this root family will be removed. We can get 4 plus 1, it will become 5. 4 plus 1, it will become 5. Here x minus 2y, that means root of a squared means 1 squared. Again 2 squared becomes 4. This 4 plus 1 becomes 5. So root will be removed. Now we are going to simplify this one. See, it is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. So expand this one, x squared plus 2x again plus 1. Here y squared, again 2 3s are 6y, again 3 squared becomes 9 is equal to 16 here. Then it is in the form of, once again, a minus b the whole squared. Expand this one, we can get x squared minus 2 into 2 4 xy. 2ab means 2 into 2 4 xy. Then plus 2y means 4y squared. Then see this denominator, here 5 is multiplication with 25 and 5 are multiplying, we can get 125. That 125 is cross multiplying in this side. So I can write like this, 125. So this 25 and 5 multiply each other, we can get 125. 125 is cross multiplying. Okay, listen, Fp by Pm equal to E. Then use this logics, just use the idea only. Then we want to remove this square means, then root means we get the squaring both sides. Then we are able to remove the root families. Now we are getting the x plus 1 the whole squared. Again y plus 3 the whole squared in your RHS. In your LHS, and then RHS means 16 by 25. Here x minus 2y the whole squared. Then root will be removed. We can get 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Then expand the values. Here what are the values here? A plus b the whole squared, just expand it. Here also a plus b the whole squared, expand it. Here 16 is the constant. A minus b the whole squared, expand it. Then 5 into 25 becomes 125 cross multiply. Now this 125 is going to multiply inside. Then this 125 is multiplication with inside values. We can get 125x squared. Then 125y squared. Then 2x is multiplication with 125. We can get 250x. Again here, this 6y is multiplication with here see 125. Again multiplication with 6 5s 30. Again remaining is 3. 2 into 6, 12, 15, we can get 1, then we can get 750. So if you are multiplication with 6 and 125, we are able to get 750y. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is multiplication with 125, therefore we can get 1250. So here see 9, again one more one, adding with we can get 10. 10 is multiplication with 125. We can get 1250. See in your RHS side, 16 is multiplication here, 16x squared. We can get 16x squared. Again 16 into 4. This 16 into 4 we can get 64y squared. Again this 16 into again 4 multiplication, we can get minus 64xy. Minus 64xy. So 16x squared, 16 into 4, 64y squared, 16 into 4, 64xy. We are going to convert all the families in the same side. See here, 125x squared. This is one x squared family. Here also one x squared family. So we are converting into the same side. Therefore, 125 minus 16, we can get 109x squared. We can get 109x squared. Then we are having one more xy family here. Convert into same side. So we can get 64xy. That is converted in the same side. We can get positive. See here, 125y squared. Here also we are having 64y squared. So 125y squared, 64 again y squared. We are going to subtract here. We can get 61 here, 61y squared. Then the remaining are same only. 250x, then 750y, then 1250. So this is the general equation of this conics. Already we discussed about this conic should be an ellipse. Why? The value of E less than 1. That means E equal to 4 by 5. The value is less than 1. Therefore, it should be an ellipse only. Now we are having one more idea. What is the idea? See this 109x squared, 64xy, 61y squared, 250x, 750y, 1250x. Sorry, 250 is a constant. It is in the form of, already we discussed, ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared, again dx ey, then plus f equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the conics we already discussed. If this equation represents an ellipse, then what is the condition? B squared minus 4ac less than 0. You can verify this one. Here a equal to 109. Here a equal to 109. B equal to 64. B equal to 64. Now C equal to 61. Now we are able to verify this one. Check this concept. B squared minus 4ac less than 0. You can verify this one. B squared minus 4ac less than 0. We already discussed the same concept in the equation of the parabola. In that, B squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Here B squared minus 4ac less than 0. You are able to verify this one. See, B is the 64. Square that value, 64 squared minus 4 into A into the value C. So you can work out that concept. It should less than 0. That means you can get a negative number here. Then it represents an ellipse. In the same way, you are going to work out one more problem based on the hyperbola. In that hyperbola, you can see b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. That means it should be a positive quantity. You can verify. Once again, the concept is Fp by Pm equal to E. That is the basic definition of the conic. From that, if the value E equal to 1, we can say it is an ellipse. Sorry, it is a parabola, E equal to 1. If the value of E less than 1, then it is a ellipse. Just now we work. Then the value of E greater than 1. Now we are going to see one more question in the based on E value greater than 1. Then it should be a hyperbola. Now check. Find the equation of the conic. Find the equation of the conic. Instead of conic, they may be set here the real name hyperbola. They may be given like that. Find the equation of the conic. With the focus F is given. With the focus F 1, 2. E equal to root 3. Then the directrix is, then the equation of the directrix. Then the equation of the directrix is 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now see the logic. Find the equation of the conic. With the focus is given eccentricity is given. See this value E value greater than 1. Root 3 is nothing but 1.73 to know the value. So the value of E greater than 1. Therefore, this conics can be called as hyperbola also. So this is called hyperbola. Now use the logic, basic definition. What is the value of f here? The value of f is 1, 2. Then the point P of x, y. Then we can send P of x, y. Then the equation of the directrix is 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Here he is called PM is the perpendicular distance. Just now we discussed what is the formula? Fp by Pm equal to E. Here the value of E greater than 1. Therefore, this conic is called as a hyperbola. See, I can write like this. Fp equal to E into Pm. From this diagram, what is the meaning of Fp? Just now we recalled it is nothing but the distance between 2 points. Once again use the same concept. See, x minus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. So this is nothing but distance between 2 points. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. Here the value of E is, see the value E is root 3. Then just now use the concept. What is the meaning of PM? Length of the perpendicular from Px, y to this directrix. So it is nothing but 2x plus y minus 1 divided by root of 2 square becomes 4. Again coefficient of y is 1. So same concept. Fp by Pm equal to E. So Fp equal to E into Pm. The value of E is now greater than 1. In the previous question, E less than 1. So it is a hyperbola. In the previous question, we are called it is an ellipse. Now we are going to simplify this one. That is a concept. You are able to work out this expansion just now. Listen carefully. Try yourself. Always you have to try. Just I am recalling the concept. We want to remove this root family, then squaring both sides. So we have to remove the root family, squaring both sides. Now see the expansion. X minus 1 the whole square here, y minus 2 the whole square here. So this is nothing but in your RHS side, if you are squaring the value, it will become 3. Then the denominator becomes 5. The denominator becomes 5 because root will be removed, 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Then the remaining is 2x plus y minus 1 the whole square. Now see this one, I can cross multiply this 5 here. So 5 of, see this one, a minus b the whole squared, x squared minus 2x plus 1. In your, again one more, y squared minus 2 2s are 4y, again 4. So expand your LHS first, then 5 multiplying, cross multiplying here. Now we can get 3. See now, this is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square. There are three members here. A plus b plus c the whole square. In the previous, only 2 members. Here, we are having 3 members. So expand. A square means 4x squared. Expand this one. Then b square means y squared. C square means 1. So a square plus b square plus c square. Then 2ab. See, 2ab. So here having positive only. 2ab. 2 into 2, 4 xy. Then 2bc. 2bc. C having a negative. So it will get negative. Again you can get 2y. So 2bc. 2y with a negative. So minus 2y. Then again 2ca. C already having, so negative symbol, negative. 2 into 2, we can get 4x. So it is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square, then a squared, b squared, c squared, then plus 2ab, plus 2bc, plus 2ca. Instead of we are having a negative, you can get the result as a negative. So a squared means 4x squared, b squared means y squared, c squared means 1. Again 2 into 2, 4xy. Again 2y minus, so minus 2y. 2 minus 1, again here you are having 2x, so minus 4x. Just We are going to simplify this one. This 5 is multiplication inside. We can get 5x squared first. Again 5y squared. Again 5 2s are minus 10x. Again 5 into 4 minus 20y. 4 again one more 1 here. 5 5s are 25. This is your LHS result. Then your RHS result, just multiply 3 inside. Just multiply 3 inside. See here, 3 into 4 becomes 12x squared. Again 3y squared. Again one more 3. 3 into 4, 12xy. Again 3 into 2, minus 6y. Again 3 into 4, minus 12x. Minus 12x. So just expand, after that multiply 5 inside, here multiply 3 inside. We are going to simplify these values. Listen here, 12x squared, here 5x squared, convert into that same side, then we can get 12 minus 5, we can get 7x squared. 12 minus 5, we can get 7x squared. Then after that you are having xy family, write it, 12xy. Then see here, 5y squared. This is 5y squared. Here 3y squared. Convert into that side. So we can get minus 2y squared. Again x family. Here minus 10x. There 12. You can convert into the same side. We can get minus 2x. See here 6y. Here 20y. Convert into the same side. We can get positive 12 minus, that means 14y. See here 25, convert into the same side, we can get minus 22. Here 25 positive, convert into the same side, so we can get minus 25. Already you are having 3, so minus 22 equal to 0. See here 7x squared, 12xy, minus 2y squared, minus 2x, plus 14y, minus 22 equal to 0 is the equation of this conic. This conic is already, we explained, it is a hyperbola. Then you are able to verify. Compare with this one, ax squared plus bxy, then plus cy squared, then plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. Compare with this. Now we can get the value of a equal to, see the value of a equal to 7. Now the value of b equal to, see 12. The value of b equal to 12. The value of c equal to minus 2. Then what is the condition? Verify this one. B squared minus 4ac greater than 0. You are able to see this one. From this, b squared, that means 12 squared. You can work out 4ac. C already having a negative. So negative, it will become positive only. You can get a value b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. Therefore, it denotes the equation of the hyperbola. So far, we worked out some problems. Some problems based on parabola, some problems based on ellipse, some problems now based on hyperbola. Now, you can try 2 homeworks in the same model. You can try in the same model. F is given, E is also given, then directrix also given. If these 3 data are given, so we are able to work out the equation of the conic with the help of the only one concept, Fp by Pm equal to E. Now work out these 2 homeworks. Take down the 2 same concept. Don't think the extra knowledge. F2, 0, E equal to 1 by 2. Then the directrix is x minus 8 equal to 0. See the data, focus given, E 1 by 2, so it must be less than 1. Therefore, it denotes equation of an ellipse. Directrix is also given. Try yourself. The same model, f is given. The value of f is 2, 3. The value of E equal to 2. Then the equation of the directrix is x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So the same concept. See here, e value less than 1, here e value greater than 1. Therefore, the first equation denotes the equation of the ellipse. Here, it denotes the equation of a hyperbola. So, you are able to verify with the help of the b squared minus 4ac also. If b squared minus 4ac less than 0 here, you can verify. Then less than 0 means it denotes the equation of an ellipse. Here see, e equal to 2, that means it should be greater than 1. Therefore, we can say it is the hyperbola. We are able to verify with the equation b squared minus 4ac value greater than 0. So, you are able to just get the basic knowledge about the conic. Dear students, these questions are not in your book, just for your knowledge. So, you are able to get this knowledge. B squared minus 4ac value equal to 0, then it denotes the parabola. B squared minus 4ac less than 0, then it denotes an ellipse. B squared minus 4ac greater than 0, then it denotes a hyperbola. So, we are able to verify this concept in this type of equations, in this type of questions. Now, we are already discussed only one concept, conic section and the definition of conics. Recall the definition of conics, Fp by Pm equal to E. So far we discussed only one this diagram. This is the focus. This is the P of x comma y. Then Pm is the length of the perpendicular. This is called L. Initially we are thinking about F is the fixed point. The value of that fixed point is called as focus. Name of the fixed point is called as focus. This is called focus. This is the directrix. This is the fixed line. The line is in the form of always an equation of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The name of that fixed line is called directrix. Then the value of E related on three ways. One value is 1. Again the second value is greater than 1 or less than 1 is ellipse. Greater than 1 is hyperbola. Then equal to 1 is parabola. So far we discussed. Now we are going to work out standard equation of a parabola with the help of this one. Now we are going to work out standard equation of the parabola. So this is the heading. Now we are going to work out. Before that we are also worked out the parabola. In that parabola we are able to get the general equation in the second degree. In that general second equation generally refers the conic expansion. In that conic expansion we are able to check it, b squared minus 4ac equal to 0, then the conic represents a parabola. Now we are going to work out standard equation of a parabola. Now what is the meaning of parabola? So far we discussed related with the eccentricity. If an equation related with eccentricity E equal to 1, then the conic is said to be a parabola. See this. Fp by Pm equal to E. If this E is considered to be 1, see we can write like this, Fp by Pm equal to 1. Then cross multiply, we can get Fp equal to Pm. Then what is the meaning of Fp equal to Pm? This distance Fp, again this distance Pm are equal. Therefore, this P should lie equidistant from F and L. So, this is the point P. So, we are going to work out the locus of that point P. So, this P is equidistant from F and L. Therefore, we can make a definition here. The locus of this point P is equidistant from the focus or from the fixed point, and fixed line is called a parabola. If E equal to 1, we can say it is a parabola. Then we are making a definition here. The locus of this point P is equidistant from this fixed point and also equidistant from the fixed line is called a parabola. So parabola is nothing but locus of this point. We are going to work out the locus of this point. This locus of this point in this plane is equidistant from this fixed point and equidistant from the fixed line is called a parabola. So now we are going to work out the standard equation of this parabola. Dear students, the standard equation of the parabola is very important for your knowledge. In this only you are going to discuss about all the characters, all the namings, so that you are getting a good knowledge from this expansion. So very carefully listen and take down the concepts. Now listen. Let F be the focus. Let F be the focus. We need the word focus. So let F be the focus. And L is the directrix. We also need the directrix. E equal to 1 is the eccentricity. We need eccentricity also. We need eccentricity. E must be 1 for the parabola. So let F be the focus. See the basic definition. We need F. And L is the directrix. L is nothing but the fixed line. We need it. E equal to 1 is the eccentricity. E also wanted. Now let P of x comma y be any point in the plane. P of x comma y be any point in the plane. We need the locus of that P of x comma y. So let P of x comma y, we already discussed it. P of x comma y be a moving point. Therefore we are going to find the locus of that moving point. So let P of x comma y be any point in this plane. So with the help of these, we are going to work out standard equation of the parabola. Now listen the diagram carefully. After that, we are going to work out the standard equation. From the definition of the conic only, we are going to derive this one. Now, F is the focus, L is the directrix, E equal to 1 is the eccentricity, P of x comma y be any point. All these 4 characters in the definition of the conic. So we are taking the all 4 concepts only. Now listen the diagram now. I am going to plot all these concepts in the diagram. As per the explanation, I am going to draw this one. See, what is the first word? F be the focus. Listen. Let F be the focus. L is the directrix. This is the L. L is the directrix. E equal to 1, we are going to use it. Then P of x comma y be any point. After that, later on, I am going to plot that point. Now listen. F fixed point. L fixed line. So from this fixed point, I am going to draw a perpendicular line. This is called Z. So draw FZ perpendicular to L. This is the first construction. Draw FZ perpendicular to the directrix L. Now this FZ has some distance. Let us consider FZ equal to 2a. Let us consider FZ equal to 2a. So distance between the fixed point and the fixed line is considered to be 2a. Now I am selecting a midpoint of this one. Consider O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of Fz. O is the midpoint of Fz. Therefore we can say OF equal to OZ equal to A. From this I can write like this. OF equal to OZ equal to A, because it is equidistant. So OF, OZ are equal. Say this is the distance A and also this is the distance A. So once again listen. Let F be the focus initially discussed. F be the focus. L is the directrix. It is the fixed line. It is the directrix. Then this total distance Fz equal to 2a. Consider that this is the distance. I can say it is a 2a. O is the midpoint of this Fz. Then therefore we can write OF equal to OZ equal to A. Now I am going to plot the point P. I'm going to plot the point P now. So initially I am saying P of x comma y be any point on this plane. So now I can say P of x comma y be any point on this plane. Now join FP. Join FP. Draw PM perpendicular to the directrix. As per definition we need PM. As per definition we need FP. So that I am join FP and PM perpendicular to this directrix L. So FP the focus initially I am explaining. Now P of x comma y be any point in this plane. So we can draw it. L is the directrix. As per definition we need FP. So I am drawing FP, joining this FP. We need PM also. Then work out. Now only one new concept. Consider this line OF as x-axis. Consider this OF as x-axis. Therefore, I can consider this line as x-axis. Consider this OF as x-axis. Then draw OY as y-axis. Then draw OY perpendicular to OF. So draw OY perpendicular to OF as y-axis. So we need x and y-axis. So I can consider this OF as x-axis and OY perpendicular to this line is y-axis. Now this is automatically considered to be origin 0, 0. Because the meeting place of x-axis and y-axis is nothing but the origin 0, 0. Initially I am explaining OF as A. Therefore, this point F lies on x-axis. Now it is considered to be A, 0. Now this is considered to be A, 0 only. Because this distance is A. It lies on x-axis. Therefore, this point must be A, 0 only. Now consider this side. OZ is also A. Now Z lies on x dash. That is the negative direction of x-axis. Therefore, this point must be minus A, 0 only. This point must be minus A, 0 only. Initially, I am explaining OF and OZ are equidistant. Therefore, this is A unit. This is also A unit. Distance is A unit. But it lies in the negative direction of x-axis. Therefore, x dash, it lies in x dash. It should be minus A, 0 only. Now, you can think about this point M. This is minus A, A, 0. Now, it is parallel to y-axis. Now this point is considered to be minus A, y only because the value of y is unknown here. This is the value of y. This value is unknown. This value is unknown. So we can say it is y. So this is minus A, y. So we are getting all the needed things in this theoretical. Once again, recall the concept. It is a theoretical concept, but you must be very clear in this theoretical concept. Then all the related formulas from this only, related results also from this only. Once again, consider F is the focus. See this, F is the focus. Initially, I am telling F4. After that, L is the directrix. So we can draw the directrix. Then draw Fz, that is the first concept. Fz perpendicular to the directrix. Consider this distance Fz as 2a. Then take a point, midpoint. O is the midpoint of this Fz. Therefore, OF and OZ are equal values. That means A only. Then take the point P of x, y in this plane. We need this connection FP and draw the perpendicular PM. That is the perpendicular to the directrix. This is the needed for the definition. So we are making that connections. Now F should be A, 0. Why? See this OF as x-axis. This line OF considered to be x-axis. That means A, 0 only. This distance is A. It lies on x-axis. Therefore, point is A, 0. The same concept here. This Z lies on the other side. That means x dash. So it must be minus A, 0 only. Now consider this is the important concept. minus a comma y. How? This is the point M, this line parallel to y axis, and this line having minus a as x unit. Y is unknown, therefore we can say minus a comma y. Now from this diagram, see, I am going to work out the basic definition. We can get the equation. See, as per definition, by definition, we know Fp by Pm equal to E. Since it is the parabola, we are looking at the equation of the parabola. E must be 1 only. Therefore, I can write Fp by Pm equal to 1. Again, I can write like this. Fp equal to Pm. Fp equal to Pm. So, initially I am explaining it is the equidistance. See this diagram Fp. Now, what is the distance between these 2 points? It is nothing but, I can write here. See here, Fp. Fp means x minus a the whole square. X minus a the whole square. Y minus 0 the whole square. Y minus 0 the whole square. That is equal to, then Fp we can write in the like this root of, again Pm, see there, Pm. Pm also the distance between 2 points. So it is nothing but x minus of minus. So I can write like this, x plus a the whole squared, then plus y minus y. So y minus y becomes 0. So this is also distance between 2 points. So once again, Fp is the distance between 2 points. Pm is also the distance between 2 points. So avoiding the root, I can square this one. Now it is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. Expand is x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Then already one more y squared here. In the same way, expand your RHS side. Root will be removed. Then x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. Now you are able to remove the same values. See this x squared here, this x squared here will be removed. A squared here, a squared will be removed. What are the remaining values here? Y squared minus 2ax. In your RHS side you are having 2ax. Convert this 2ax to the other side. We can get y squared equal to 4ax. This is the standard equation of the parabola. y squared equal to 4ax. It is very beautiful derivation. So dear students, first listen the concept, then make some observations. After that, try yourself. No need to copy all the things. What are the concept? We need f. What is the value of f? That must be focus. What is the meaning of e equal to 1? Since it is a parabola, we can take e equal to 1. Then read the directrix. L is the directrix, that is the fixed line. So from that, we make this definition, Fp by Pm equal to E. This is the basic definition of conics, we already discussed it. Here E equal to 1. Why? It is a parabola. We are considering E equal to 1. Therefore, cross multiply this one. So we can get Fp equal to Pm. So what is the meaning of Fp? From this diagram, it is nothing but distance between 2 points. Therefore, take the square root of x minus a the whole squared, y minus 0 the whole squared. Again, Pm is also the distance between 2 points. So this one, Pm. Pm is the distance between these two. X minus of minus already. So x plus a the whole squared. Y minus y will become 0. So to avoid the root family, squaring both sides, we can get x squared. After expanding this one, x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Already you are having plus y squared. Here expand this one, x squared, 2ax plus a squared. Remove the same values, we can get y squared equal to 4ax. This is the standard equation of this parabola.